How to fix camera not focusing in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then scroll down and click on camera app. Now here you can see the option force stop. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. After force stop your camera, then go back to your home screen and open your camera. In camera, here you can see these four dots. Now click on it and then click on settings. Now scroll down in last and here you can see the option reset settings. Now click on it and then click on reset. After reset your camera settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.